how to compare your trips, how to use the update button like a pro. So first things first, let's find out how to get access to this screen. So let's start with the home button. Let's choose here menu, select here info, and you've got access to the following information. So when you finish a drive, you can hit the update button right here, and as you can see, it saves your current trip into the history bar and starts a fresh one for your next drive. So use this to see exactly how much more fuel you use on your morning commute versus the drive home, for example. It's really useful if you would like to clear all stats. You can also do it by using this button, and you can check out some other information like your previous best, or for example you can check out the energy of your car. Here you've got the statistics. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.